Hi, it's Jan from Velomobile World, and I just come out of the gym and I'm with the bulk, and I want to show you some updates I made. So here's one update. I got some other mirrors from Axel Hairfoot and I put them on, and I have to admit I like them. Also the rear view is really nice with these mirrors. I'm not sure, I didn't measure the aerodynamic if it's perfect, but it looks pretty good. I like the shape, how it looks like. That's one update. The other update, also from Axel Hairfoot, is the grill. So this is for making sure that there is not big bugs flying in. I do like that there is not flying big bugs in my air inlet. Which I don't like is that the airflow is a bit reduced. Personally, I'm not so scared for big insects flying in my bike. Anyway, I hardly drive with a hood. I mostly drive like this, or I put the foam cover still on it. But now it's summer and it's 30 plus degrees. That would be no problem if I would not have also some hill climbs. And on the moment I have some hill climbs, I'm cooking in the bulk, and I am not so good with heat. I prefer cold. Yeah, so that's the updates I have, and I like really the mirrors, and I think I will take down this on the front side where the which prevented big insects can fly in, because I love the airflow. See you next time. Bye bye.